Hey guys, what's up? So today I am trying Subway's new vegan sub. They actually do a salad as well, but I thought, it's Subway, you have to try the sub. My plan was, I drove somewhere like kind of nice. I thought it would be quiet. I was going to do this outside 'cause it's a nice day, but apparently people play golf up here, so there's a lot of cars about and lots of people, so that would just not work. I don't love Subway. I go there occasionally. And by occasionally I mean like twice a year. Like, it's not somewhere I would ever really go. Their last vegetarian sub, it was okay. It was nothing special. I thought it was basically just like McDonald's old veggie burger. So I have a feeling this, because this is spicy now, I have a feeling this is going to be kind of similar to McDonald's new like veggie stuff. It comes with a garlic sauce. I don't know how you pronounce it, I'm not even going to try it. It starts with an A. Garlic, I don't know. Sit here. I got it with tomato, no I didn't. I hate tomatoes, why did I even say that? I got it with lettuce, onion, cucumber, and onion. And I got it on hearty Italian toasted bread. So, really feel like this is going to be a mess to eat. Look at this huge, piece of packaging. It's a bit unnecessary. So yeah, apparently it's supposed to be kind of spicy, and then it's got the garlic, so let's give it a try. Wait, I'm going to try the garlic sauce first. Definitely garlicky. Okay. I'm gonna try and get like just the thing. I mean, okay. So, it's nice, but I really don't think it's that different from their old one. Except obviously, the old one was just vegetarian, whereas this is now vegan. So that's obviously better. But taste-wise, I'm not really tasting a difference. It's definitely not spicy. All I can taste is the garlic, really. I can't taste like the actual patty thing. Usable, use reusable bottles is what I was trying to say there. Yeah, I don't know. It's nice, but the garlic definitely overpowers the pie thing. It's definitely, I don't taste any spiciness at all. If I was going to get this again, which I probably will at some point, I would definitely get it with sweet chili sauce instead of garlic, because I don't know, I love sweet chili, but also I feel like the garlic's quite overpowering. I don't know. What's funny as well, when I tasted the garlic just on its own, on my finger, it was like really garlicky, but when it's all together, it's like not that garlicky at all now. But it's still like, enough that I can't taste the pie thing. I don't know, is that what it's called? That's what I would call it. So yeah, I mean, my consensus is that it's alright. I really don't think it's that different from their old one, apart from obviously this is now vegan, whereas the other one was vegetarian. I don't know if they're still doing the vegetarian one. I think they must be. I'm pretty sure I saw it actually when I was in there. I think they're doing both. I really want to try. I'm gonna rip this apart. See, it's actually covered in garlic now. I want to try just this on its own. I'm gonna wipe the garlic off it. See, on its own, it definitely tastes. It's not spicy. It's definitely not spicy. It's like a hint of chili. The actual pie itself is made of, I don't know, I can see a pea in it and a bit of sweet corn. Like, it's one of those ones. It's like vegetables mashed together. Yeah, I mean, that's definitely a must buy. If you're in Subway, get it, you know. But I wouldn't rush out to try this. Don't have much else to say about it really. It's kind of disappointing. Like I said, I'm not a Subway person anyway. So yeah, nothing else to say really. If you're at Subway, try it, but don't go your way to try it. So that'll do it for this video pretty much, I guess. Pretty underwhelming, I know. Follow me on Instagram, put it down below. It's at Connor, 2 R's and a 0 instead of the last O. It's not that simple to explain, is it? It's not very catchy. Yeah, leave a like. Let me know if you tried this, what your thoughts were. And thanks for watching.